I should start wearing gloves.
Yeah, probably.
All right, we begin the golf course house. The plan is get rid of all the stuff you wouldn't want to have in your own house.
This is a really nice house, but they chose to put this strange paneling out in the garage. All right, drywall is hung. We've had a big mudding party. And things are starting to shape up in the garage. What's going on here, man?
We're removing this door jamb, and we're gonna move it 15 feet that way and change the entrance so this is not so crowded, and so our mudroom makes sense.
Let's see if we can see it.
We're going to improve the design a bit.
Out here. So basically what's happening is there's the current entrance into the garage, and that's going to get walled up, and we're going to move the entrance down that way so that you'll enter into the mudroom first. See, there's the mudroom. And there's the mudroom, and there is the rough opening, just the beginning of it. So that's going to be the new entryway. All right, we're trying to clear up our work site a little bit because we're getting our garage doors tomorrow. Now that's all been cut away. Dave's been having fun. All this electrical wiring ran right through that section, of course, so he's been rerouting everything. And now we're getting ready to cut the actual opening for the new doorway.
All cut. Didn't pinch the saw blade, so there's no real pressure on these.
So that's the Dave method of seeing if it's load bearing or not.
And pull it out and see if it collapses.
So far nothing's falling.
So far so good. There's our header sandwich. And this is way overkill, but it's what was over the other door. We made it full size. Oh, like it was meant to be.
Nice fit. Ta-da! It's a nice new doorway. And there's the new garage opening. So that was the old entrance, and now this is the new entrance.
Oh, there we go.
Nice! So that's just the jamb from the other one, fitting perfectly in the new opening.
Into its new home.
Cool deal, man.
Yay!
Yay, it works. This is the last remnant that even shows that there was an entryway. It's this step. So we're tearing that up, and it is going to be relocated here. This is starting to turn out to look like this was always the normal entryway. Now we are going to transition out to the garage. We're going to try to make this garage pretty interesting. We're going to texturize the ceiling, and then we're also going to do a little flare on the garage floor. This garage is getting a complete makeover.
Okay, that was fun.
We've been scrubbing in this garage forever. We're trying to put down our epoxy coating, and I don't know, we've used probably 4 different cleaning products. And anyway, there you can kind of see the difference. This one is somewhat untreated, but these 2 have already been treated and they're looking pretty clean. So those 2 have been treated with etcher. These have actually been cleaned a lot, but they don't have the etcher on them yet. So hopefully they will clean up just like those. Well, it's an exciting day at the golf course house because today is the day we're finally going to put our epoxy coating on our 3-car garage floor. We worked quite a while to get this floor into shape to accept the epoxy. Really, it looks like all the oil stains came up. Probably the only issue is there are some paint stains that we could not remove despite much scrubbing. So hopefully that's going to work out all right. And so this is the last time we will see the floor like this, but we're going to have some flare pretty soon.
Okay, that's the rolling alarm. This has got to work fast.
Okay.
Because we have an hour basically to get this done right here.
It's Monday morning and our epoxy floor has had all weekend to dry, and this is how it turned out. I'm actually really excited about it because if you don't clean the floor well and get all the oil up, the epoxy floor can buckle and create these little circles that they call them fish eyes. But I don't see any fish eyes anywhere. I think somebody's going to be pretty excited to have this floor. Our garage door opener breaks, but at least he's working on an epoxy floor. So what happened over there with the door?
Well, we'll give it a test run. I think we're good.
Woohoo!
Ready?
Nice!
Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We always appreciate that. It does help our videos. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos coming. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.